halloumi, fried or pan-seared. It's so good. Bless you. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell, and today I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen. I'm going to show you 2 simple picnic recipes, whether you're going to the beach or the park. These are great things to pack, and they're portable. And I'm going to start with some Greek salad skewers. Let's get started with the dressing. All right, 6 tablespoons vinegar. What does that end up being? Like 1/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons or something? Math. 3 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons, Dijon mustard, teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. This is a 1/2 teaspoon. If you're like, she's not measuring that right, I need 4 of them. Ace that math equation. Oregano, or as Marge Simpson says, oregano. 1 teaspoon. Onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I like making dressings in jars because I get to shake it up. And I can keep it in my fridge like this. And it's a workout. Looks good. Extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 cup. Shake it up again. That's ready. Now on to our skewers. I have an array of things in front of me, array of items. I have some romaine that I've cut into little pieces, English cucumber, halloumi that I fried up, feta cheese, red bell peppers, baby tomatoes, and then I have pepperoncini, Divina pepperoncini that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I like the spice. It's a little milder than other peppers, but I think it adds nice punch. And then I also have pitted Kalamata olives by Divina as well. I'm gonna put something sturdy on the bottom. Let's put some lettuce. Pretty sure that's how you say it. Feta. Tomato. Get an olive. So you have the freshness from the veggies, creaminess from the cheese, a tangy, salty bite from the olive. It's everything you find in a Greek salad, but on a cute little skewer. And you can mix and match whatever you like. Okay. 1 down, 5 to go. Last little skewer for a picnic. You could pack it up in a little container, and this is already ready to go. So put the lid on, and then wherever you end up going, drizzle it over, dunk it in. But I'm just gonna show you how pretty it is plated. Just drizzle this dressing. Oh, I love Mediterranean food. Recipe 1, Greek salad skewers. On to the next one. You may have heard of a 7-layer dip. I think there are too many layers. I only want 3. So I'm gonna put it all in a bowl in 3 layers. So just grab a bowl, line it with plastic wrap, and then we'll invert it on a plate. Super simple, super easy appetizer, side dish, starter, and people just go nuts for it because they're like, ooh, how'd you make that? That's so pretty. And you're like, it's pretty easy. No, you say it's really difficult. I've been in the kitchen all day slaving over this. Wink. In this recipe, we're using Divina's roasted tomatoes and their green olive spread. Let's start with the tomatoes. Put it in a food processor. Hang on to this oil because I'm going to use a little of it in my bean layer. Pulse it up. Okay. That one's good. It smells so good. Next layer. White beans, I drained and I patted them dry because you do not want this layer to be super loose because then it just out the side. So drain, pat dry. Garlic. A little pinch of salt and pepper. Some lemon zest as well. Blend it up. I'm gonna add some oil. There's tons of flavor in here. That's ready. This is ready. Our first layer, we are going to do the roasted tomatoes. Kind of smooth it out so it's even. Next, the white beans. Kind of plop it in, and then we'll gently spread this out. Last and final layer, the green olive spread. And then take the plastic wrap, push down, push down, push down, just like that. I'm gonna go pop this in the fridge. So this is the one I made on camera for you guys. And I did the tomato, the white bean, and then the green olive spread. And I noticed that this red oil kind of leached up and I didn't like how it looked. I am in a test kitchen, so I remade it again, and I put the green olive spread on the bottom, and then I did the white beans, and then I finished with the tomatoes. I think it looks prettier. It tastes exactly the same, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I'm a food stylist, so I want things to look really pretty. Okay, so peel back the sides. Take your platter or your plate. Oh, you look gorgeous. Yeah. You can see each layer so beautifully. That's so easy, right? I have some gluten-free crackers I'm going to put around the sides. Cucumber slices. You can serve it with whatever you like. Crusty bread. Bell peppers. Let's give this a try. Boop, boop, boop. Got all 3 layers. Mmm. The tapenade, the green olive spread, super tangy. The beans are nice and creamy and cool, and then you get a little sweetness from the tomatoes. It's the perfect little dip. Give this a try. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you make it. You can find both recipes linked below, and you can find all the products I use at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy cooking. Subscribe, like. And you can find all the ingredients that I use at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. And all the products I use you can find both recipes below.